What's going on, Doc? What's going on? Hey, boy. You want to say hey to YouTube? Hey, boy. What's going on, guys? Today, we got another early morning, Friday morning. We about to do something interesting today. My camera skills are on point. Dealing with the 98 Mach 1. Today, I'm about to try and put on my exhaust. Right now, I got long tube headers, Bassani X pipe with no mufflers. So, let's put some mufflers on there. Thinking about using these right here, the Magnaflows. I don't know how they sound. They came off the Mach 1 when I got it, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see. But first, as you can see, there's a little bit something different on this car. There's no hood, so I can't really be driving around without a hood on, especially if I'm going to an exhaust shop and I gotta leave my car there. So I'm gonna have to take the shaker off. And there's a little trick I learned from Mr. Derek Barron Productions. Shout out to him. Put it on the screen right here. You do a little shake thing. I want to see if I can magically put the hood on in 3, 2, 1. What the heck? It didn't work. Let me try it again. 3, 2, 1. Man, Derek, I don't know how you do it. You make it look so easy on YouTube. I mean, I don't know. I guess I don't have my YouTube powers yet like everybody do. Oh well. So I just watched one of his videos. We're gonna try one more time, just one more time, okay? One more time. Alright, the hood's gonna magically be put on in 3, 2, 1. It sort of worked. The shaker's off, but the hood's still not on. Oh well, can't always get what you want. I guess I gotta put the hood on myself. As you can see, got the hood on now, covering up the beast. The beast. It's still slow, guys. Anyway, yeah, we about to take this thing to the exhaust shop. But first, I need to get exhaust tips, maybe some clamps, and yeah, my mom to go with me, because I'm not gonna stay there all day. I want to, but I gotta take my dog to the vet. He been kind of sick lately. A bird just whistled at me. That was a very defined whistle. Look at the bird. That's the bird who whistled at me. So defined. Oh crap. Anyway, guys, it's gonna be a few minutes until we go, because for one, I'm waiting for my mom, and 2, I gotta get some things, so I'll be right back, okay? Probably be back with a cold start. I don't know. It's extra cold, so yeah, we might try a cold start. Alright, guys, and just like that, we're back home. Like I promised, it's time to get this cold start going.
Come on. Hello.
I don't have that much memory on there.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
How do I turn it off?
You just close the camera.
Look at Sherlock. Alright, so we just dropped my car off at the exhaust shop, and now we about to take these little munchkins to the vet. Say hey, Sherlock. Pumpkin. She's scared. She don't want to go to the vet, even though it's not time for her yet. There's Ray.
She's just going along for the ride.
Now Sherlock is as happy as can be.
Until we get to the bed.
Hey, Pumpkin. You alright, Ray?
Yeah.
Alright, we up here at the vet now, and they acting a fool.
Oh, you know, harness, that's what you need.
Let's see if we can walk in here. I was just left Longhorns. Not Longhorns, what is this? Texas Roadhouse? Yeah. And they called us saying the car is ready, so we're gonna pick it up. Yeah, we're gonna be right back. Alright guys, so I got the car back from the exhaust shop and did a little different quad tips on it. I don't know how that's it got growing for a little bit. But I ain't gonna do a startup right now because it's kinda loud around here. You won't be able to hear it, but I'll do one when I get home.